Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Continuing our top 5 static and dynamic MCQ series, first question of the day is asking which one of them is the nodal ministry to administer the Vandhan Yojana? First option Option A Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Option B Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Option C Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Option D Ministry of Home Affairs. And the correct option is option B. Ministry of Tribal Affairs administers the Vandhan Yojana scheme. Moving to our second question, what is the Sardinia? Option A, it is an island of Italy located in the Mediterranean Sea. Option B, it is a nuclear weapon developed by North Korea. Option C, it is a lake located in Peru. Option D, it is a military exercise conducted between Brazil and Mexico. And the correct option is option A. Sardinia is an island of Italy located in Mediterranean Sea. Moving to our third question, we have to match the correct option. One side constitutional post is given, on the other side oath in presence of is given. First, President of India takes oath in presence of Chief Justice of India. Yes, first is correctly matched. Second statement, Chief Minister of Delhi takes oath in presence of Chief Justice of Delhi High Court. No, it is incorrect because it takes oath in presence of Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. So option or statement second is incorrect. So we have to mark the correct option. Option C, only first is correct. Moving to our fourth question, consider the following statements regarding the Development Commissioner for Handicrafts. First statement, the Office of the Development Commissioner for the Handicrafts is the national agency which works for the development, promotion and export of Indian handicrafts. Yes, first statement is correct. Second statement, it comes under the administrative control of Ministry of Textile. Second statement, it also correct. So we have to choose the incorrect option. So option A, none is incorrect because both statement is correct. Moving to our fifth question, consider the following statements regarding the Direct Action Day, 16 August 1946. First, it is also known as the 1946 Calcutta Killings. Yes, first statement is correct. Second statement, the day also marked the start of what is known as the Week of the Long Knives. Yes, second statement is also correct. Option or statement third, it was a nationwide communal riots lead to a large scale violence between Muslims and Hindus in the city of Calcutta. Yes, third statement is also correct. So option A, all statements are correctly spelled. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe and support our initiative.